Today, we will be looking at this app. That is the app. The app is called Premise. So, we'll head over on step-by-step procedure on how to create an account and also make money from this app. So, let's sign in and see. This is how the app looks like. When, when the app is being downloaded, then you sign up as a new customer. But me, I already have an account, so you will log in. I will log in into my account for you to see. So I'll type on login. I'll press on continue with Google. Then I choose the email I used to register to log into my account. Yes, this is how the app is being logged in. For this app, you must make sure your phone's location is on. As you see, you must turn on your phone location in order to access the surveys nearby so that you can perform the task. Yes, as you see, it said we don't have task at this time, but please check again as tasks are made available. As you see, I have answered my task they have given me, so I don't have task. So I'll check back later so that I can have another task so that I can perform and earn money. When you click on wallet here, you can see I have answered some questions and I have been awarded with money here. As you see, this just a few minutes ago I just answered another one here which is being pending. Yes, so after my answers has been revived, they'll add a little money into my account which will make my account increase. As you see here, it says earn 25.75 more to cash out, which means the maximum withdrawal on this app is 25 cedis. If we're from Ghana, it is 28 Ghana cedis rather. 28 Ghana cedis rather. If we're from Ghana, the minimum, the maximum withdrawal is 28 Ghana cedis. Someone may ask, the task on this app may be difficult, or the answers you'll be answering in order to earn money on this app would be difficult. Nah, the answers you'll be answering in order to make money on this app is not difficult. It's very simple questions. Yes, it is easy and convenient. Yes, very easy questions. It is not that difficult. Yes, so if you are willing to make money on this app, if you are really interested in making this amount on this app, you can use the link under the description of this video to download the app and begin to make money as I'm making money here. Thank you. This is how you receive the task when the task is being given. So let's do the task. So if you are really interested in making from this app as I'm making, you can use the link under the description of this video to download the app and start making. If you are new here, kindly comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel to keep updates. Thank you.